Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make furikake. These daikon radish I got this morning from local farmers market came with these beautiful leaves. It's so fresh and I don't want to waste it, so I'm making it into furikake rice seasoning. It's very easy and it's freezable. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. Daikon leaves, shirasu baby sardine, sesame seeds, sesame oil, and salt. It's just random amount of everything. Shirasu is something you may not be familiar with. It's cooked in semi-dried baby sardine. This is a very handy ingredient when you want to add some protein, so it's widely used in Japanese cooking. But if you can't find this, you can use baby shrimp or drained and flaked canned tuna. I'm using the leaves only, so let's separate it. Let's cut here, not here. And wash it. Prepare some boiling water and let's cook the daikon leaves. Stalks first. Then push in the leafy part. When it's wilted, take it out in cold water. And let's cut it into small pieces. Cut this daikon part off. And just cut it into small pieces. Put it all into the frying pan as you squeeze it really well to remove the excess water. No oil needed in the frying pan. So take some and squeeze. Like this, then into the frying pan. Turn the heat on and cook over medium heat. This is to cook off some of the remaining water to semi-dry the leaves. Cook for 5 minutes or so and it's semi-dried. Add shirasu. It's about 150 grams. Sesame seeds, about 2 tablespoons. Salt, about 1 teaspoon. And sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. And keep cooking until everything is well mixed. Okay, let's kill the heat and it's done. Time for the tasting. Let's put some furikake on the rice here. いただきます。It's super flavorful. If I have some rice with this furikake, I love it, and miso soup loaded with vegetables, I'm happy. I don't need anything else. Delicious! If you want to keep the furikake for a long time, as I said at the beginning, it's freezable. So just put it in a freezer bag. Try to make it flat. Push out the air as much as you can do. Set it tight. And keep it in freezer. It can last about 3 weeks. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!